Hi there, welcome back to AR Maharaj. Today we are checking out the HIFRESH 90 Tower Air Cooler, a tall 107 cm slim tower cooler that almost looks like a portable AC. In this video, I'll show you what comes inside the box, full features and build quality, real airflow and noise testing, how to use the cooling function with ice packs, my honest pros and cons. And I also have a special 5% discount coupon code for you at the end, so make sure you watch till the end. Unboxing experience. When you open the tall and slim box, here's what you get inside. HIFRESH Tower Air Cooler, 4 ice packs with silica gel for longer cooling, remote control, cooler stand and accessories, user manual. And yes, they even provide a screwdriver inside the box, which is a nice touch. Everything is neatly packed and the setup is very easy. Just assemble the stand, fill water in the tank, plug it in and you are ready to go. Design and build quality. This cooler stands tall at 107 cm with a slim tower style design. It doesn't make much floor space, so it's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, study rooms, small office setups. The weight is around 4.5 kg and there is a handle on the top which makes it easy to carry and move around. On the front, you get a beautiful touch control panel with options like power, speed, mode, swing, timer, cool function. Below that, you will see the air outlet grills. This cooler uses a bladeless blower system, not a traditional fan blade design, which helps deliver focus and powerful airflow. Water tank and cooling system. It comes with a 4-liter water tank along with a water level indicator on the front. At the back, you will find water inlet, mosquito protection net, large antibacterial honeycomb cooling pad, high density blower system. The honeycomb cooling pad size is actually bigger compared to many tower coolers in this price range. And one very important safety feature I like this, pump protection. If you turn on cool mode without water, the pump will not operate, which prevents internal damage. This is a very useful safety feature that many budget coolers don't provide. How to use the cool function, ice pack cooling. Add water to the ice packs and shake them well. Fill water up to the max mark. This activates the cooling gel inside. You only need to do this the first time. Place the ice packs inside the freezer for about 6 hours. Once frozen, put the ice packs inside the cooler's water tank. Add normal water into the tank. Now simply turn on the cool mode on the control panel or remote. This will give you a stronger and more refreshing cooling breeze, especially during very hot summer days. Features and functions. You can control the cooler using the touch panel on the top or the remote control, range around 6 meters. It offers 3 fan speeds, low, medium, high, 4 cooling modes, normal, natural, sleep, cool, 12-hour timer, auto swing up to 70 degree, air through up to 26 feet. So overall, it works well for small to medium sized rooms. Real testing results. After filling water, I tested the airflow performance. Here are the airspeed results. Low speed 4.5 meter per second, medium speed 6 meter per second, high speed 7.5 meter per second. Noise levels are around 45 to 50 decibels. Even at high speed, the sound is quite manageable. You can comfortably use it while sleeping, watching TV, working. Power consumption is only 80 watts. Since this is an evaporative air cooler, electricity consumption is very low compared to an AC, which helps save electricity bills. Pros I personally liked. Very sleek and modern tower design, looks almost like a portable AC, large honeycomb cooling pad, mosquito protection net, pump safety protection, lower power consumption 80 watt, portable with top handle, ice packs included, 24-hour customer support. Price and special discount offer. Right now, the price of this cooler is around 9,999 on the HIFRESH India website. Considering the design, airflow performance, safety features and accessories, I think it's a good option in this category. And here's the special offer I mentioned earlier. You can get a extra 5% discount if you use my coupon code ARMaharaj05 during checkout. So, if you're planning to buy this cooler, don't miss this deal. I'll leave the purchase link and coupon code in the description box below so you can easily check it out. Who should buy this? If you want a space-saving cooler, if you live in a small or medium-sized room, if you want low electricity consumption, if you want a modern-looking cooler, then this is definitely a good option to consider. But remember, this is a cooler, not an AC, so it works best in well-ventilated rooms. Final verdict. Overall, the HIFRESH 90 Tower Air Cooler offers good airflow performance, stylish and space-saving design, energy efficiency, useful safety features, easy portability for bedrooms, study rooms and small living rooms. I can definitely recommend it in this budget category. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AR Maharaj for more honest products reviews. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.